Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for January 8 to 14, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, so let's see, Leo, what's up with you this week? For Leo, okay. To be fair, meron kayong decision making this week. Pwedeng meron kayong mga pinag-iisipan ngayon. You are weighing things around, no? Pwedeng sa trabaho, sa career ninyo, or even sa mga ipupurso nyo moving forward. And I also see someone na nagbibigay sa inyo ng advice, or you are also seeking advice from other people for this week kung ano yung gagawin nyo moving forward. So, let us see, ano pa. And yung iba naman sa inyo, marami kayong ginagawa or gagawin ngayong week na to. And you might want to manage your time wisely para lahat ng goals ninyo for this week matapos. You have the 7 of Cups. Oh, yun na nga. May confusion dito. A lot of opportunities, pero hindi lahat yan merong magandang outcome para sa'yo. So, that's why kailangan pumili ka ng maigi. Pag-isipan mong maigi. O, diba? Speaking of pag-isipan, you have the Hanged Man. Some of you, minsan nagkakaroon ng paralysis of the analysis na sa kakaisip mo kung alin yung pipiliin mo, hindi ka na lang pumipili. So, ang ending, hindi ka nag-move forward, hindi ka nag-move on kasi nga, you are still conflicted sa decision mo. But of course, there are things na kailangan talagang pag-isipan ng maigi, lalo na kung major decision yan. Okay, but you have to be aware of your time na depende yan sa urgency kung gaano mo ka importante or gaano mo ka kailangan agad makita yung resulta ng gusto mong gawin. Okay? You have the 10 of Pentacles. So, some of you pwedeng related sa pera, sa business, sa trabaho, yung decision making ninyo. I also see you doing a lot of things na meron tong maibibigay sa inyo na financial abundance, no, sa trabaho, sa work ninyo, sa career ninyo. And meron din ritong working together with your soul family or your family sa trabaho, what you call your family as well sa trabaho. You have the King of Cups. I feel like whatever this is na pinagpipilian mo, yung iba torn between two important things in your life Pwedeng alam mo na importante sa yung trabaho mo, mahal na mahal mo yung trabaho mo, pero merong biglang dumating na opportunity rin sa'yo na malapit din sa puso mo na kung saan mas magagamit mo yung talents and skills mo. So, that's why, for you, medyo challenging which path to take. And iniisip mo rin kung pwede mo siyang pagsabayin with a star. So, the star is about your goals, your dreams, your hopes. So, kung marami kang pangarap sa buhay at nabigyan ka na ng chance na i-explore yung pangarap mo na yan, I think ito na yung sign for you na bigyan mo ng chance itong gusto mong i-explore. Oo, diba? You have the Wheel of Fortune. So, these are changes. You are being directed to your destiny, no? Sa iyong kapalaran na maaring ito na yung kailangang magbago sa buhay mo, sa career mo. Lalo na kung naging challenging yung finances mo, yung career mo, yung trabaho mo. Medyo nagkaroon ng conflict with other people. So, this is the time for you to be more abundant, no? With the Empress card. So, parang sinasabi rito na meron kang kakayanan na mas palaguin mo kung ano yung meron ka ngayon. Yung mga nasimulan mo. Kailangan mo lang kumilos, kailangan mo lang magdesisyon. Okay? Kasi lalo na kung medyo natitigilan ka sa decision making mo. So, let's see what else. Kasi meron tong ibibigay sa'yo na abundance. So, be careful sa mga tao rin na mahilig, ay yung mabulaklak yung salita. Oo, yung tipong too good to be true. Kasi minsan, too good to be true talaga yon. So, use your discernment, yung sarili mong instinct, yung sarili mong analytical skills mo kung maniniwala ka sa sasabihin ng iba. And meron kang achievement sa trabaho, sa career. You have the Sun in Capricorn in the 10th house. So, for some of you, Leo, this is about your career, your business, your reputation. Yan yung bibigyan mo ng focus and attention. Although, meron din ditong, relationship, no? With the Moon in Libra in the 7th house and then Venus in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Some of you, merong long distance relationship dito or connection with someone. Pwedeng, medyo nagsisimula na kayong makilala yung isa't isa. You're starting to dig deeper with this person. I also see some of you na you may be connecting with someone na ito yung tipong hindi mo tipo ng lalaki or ng babae pero na-attract ka sa kanya. Alam mo yun? May ganun eh. So, you might be trying your luck dito sa connection na to. So, sa money, career, finances, meron ditong undependable. So, maaring meron sa yung mangako na hindi pala niya tutuparin, na alam niya na hindi niya kayang tuparin. Okay? This can be sa pera, sa trabaho, sa opportunities. So, that's why, like what I mentioned kanina, be careful dun sa mga masyadong mabubulaklak na pananalita, no? Some of you are taking risks in terms of your career, your business. May mga opportunities na minsan hindi mo akalain na nandun ka pala magiging successful. Oo, lalo na kung nag-take ka ng risk. Yes, your dream life is already manifesting, Leo. So, ito na yung time na, kailangan mo ng sunggaban. Yung opportunities na yan sa yung career. Sa love naman, very optimistic ka. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kang bibigyan ng chance. This can be an ex-partner, no? A person from the past na sa tingin mo, merong kahihinatnan yung pag-aayos ninyo ng relationship ninyo. Pwedeng naiintindihan mo kung ano nangyari, anong naging problema, and ngayon, binibigyan mo ng chance. Hindi lang yung tao, but also the relationship itself. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.